Te Ari Manu is the only vet clinic in the Cook Islands, and it's now a busy, well-equipped place. But it didn't start out that way. In July 2017, we leased a building behind the Ministry of Agriculture in Ararangi. Cook Islands Investment Corporation did a great job of cleaning and painting our new clinic. The backyard needed clearing of discarded rubbish. Volunteers and board members put together donated shelves and sanded and painted second-hand cupboards and tables. We also had an operating table and trolleys to be assembled. Early volunteer vets and vet nurses organised the supplies that were now coming in. The Te Ari Manu sign on the main road showed we were getting ready for business. Donated vet supplies were now arriving from clinics overseas, mainly New Zealand. A washing machine, dryer and fridge were donated by previous Rarotonga residents. Although we weren't yet officially open, we had our first furry patient. Pinot Gris came along for a checkup and deflea. On the 13th of October 2017, we had our official opening. After a rousing Imani Tuki, Board Chairman Trish Barton and board members asked Tina Mana Ariki, the Ariki of Puaikura, and Taamo Heather, the landowner representative, to cut the A. We were now officially up and running. The Aroa Mana of Puaikura nominated Te Ari Manu for a Village Pride Award. We put our $1,500 prize towards buying a van for the clinic. The back of the room was organised into an office space and a workspace. The main purpose of our clinic is to look after sick animals, and our operating theatre was well set up for this. Many generous vet clinics overseas have given us equipment that's surplus to their needs. Our volunteer vets and vet nurses make full use of the theatre. Our lovely new operating theatre was originally set up by CareVet for the SPCA dog desexing team and is now fully functional. Dr. Sean Owens and Dr. Jessica Sanchez from the University of California at Davis have set up a diagnostic lab to help detect parasites in animals. Te Ari Manu doesn't work in a vacuum. We assisted Aitutaki Vet Trek, an American group including 2 vets and 2 vet nurses, travelling to Aitutaki for a cat desexing program. They've gone 2 years in a row, 2018 and 2019. We also work closely with the Cook Islands SPCA. Te Ari Manu is the vet clinical side and SPCA is the animal rescue and shelter side. Whenever we have enough volunteers, Te Ari Manu sets up a stall at the Saturday morning market. This means people can meet our volunteers and learn about our services. And we bring along kittens and Sunny the clinic dog, always popular. The yard at the back of the clinic has always been a place for our dogs to play, and especially clinic dog Sunny, who mentors young pups spending the day with us. In July 2018, we started building a kennel for our recovering animals, cats as well as dogs, to make things less stressful and smelly for everybody. The kennel is now in use and can be accessed directly from the new operating theatre. We couldn't do all this without our volunteers. The vets and vet nurses come from all over the world, mainly New Zealand and Australia, but we've also had people from England, Ireland, all parts of Europe, the United States and even Singapore. It's a real United Nations. They are all dedicated professionals, willing to donate their time and expertise to help our furry friends here in the Cook Islands. Me taki mata. Thank you all very much.